Hi, this is Keturah with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at the dynamic date field when you're inside a session. Here we're in a session and we're going to go over to our toolbox and we're going to drag and drop the date. Now here we have a pop-up that's asking us if we want to use a static date where the date stays fixed at a value we choose, or we can toggle to a dynamic date. And so if we're pre-tagging this document and let's say we have a signing tomorrow, we can make sure that the date is always aligned when we're meeting with our signer by using the dynamic date field. In addition to that, we can use this drop down to have the format of the date changed. So we can have the month, day, and year, the full date, the month only, the month number only, the day only, the year only, or the short year only. And so this gives us a lot of flexibility in making sure that our documents are up to date when we're meeting with our clients. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.